It's been about a year, but I'm back. Hello from the Sunshine State. Brings a lot of force. Stevie Ray, can you give me an
That, thank you. Broke into the wrestler.
It was 33 ounce table, and these rap. This is carnage. We may need help from the back. Can we get some wrestlers from the back?
Look out. Beast from the...
We need help from the back. Wrestlers from the back.
That is my monitor. He's got it.
He looks like a doofus.
That's all for here. Farewell from the Sunshine State.
Thank you, Crowbar and Daphne. Carnage everywhere.